growing up with kind of undiagnosed ADHD, I was really afraid of the experience with school. I'm Shawn from Columbia, South Carolina. I saw it as a great opportunity. It really married a lot of the paths I knew I wanted to go down, helping people, fixing things, providing for the family. And due to my background in the Army and what I was doing, I really just felt that troubleshooting, the experience there, teaching people as well, it would really kind of lend to this career. With fundamentals, I really loved how there wasn't any one day where they was just all sitting and watching a slideshow. So the fact that week one was hands-on and fundamentals was fantastic. So advanced courses, I took refrigeration, I took AC, heat pumps, water heaters, and I am now in exteriors. The amount of units you get to troubleshoot while you're here, and you have every opportunity to fix hundreds of issues here. Again, fantastic. I am super excited to just get out there and get my hands on stuff. If you are even suspicious that this might be something you want to do, I would absolutely go for it. I highly recommend NRVTA.